Hi viewers, welcome to Codemaster Lab. In this video, we are going to see the complete features of the vendor. At first, let me log in into this portal, and in our previous video, we have seen the business details and description. In this video, we'll see the services. So as we have in photography category, so we can see photography related emojis. So you can select each of the emojis and add your services one by one. For here, I am adding photography, videography, drone, as well as sunset or pre-wedding shoot kind of photography and videography. So once everything is added, we will go through photos. We'll add some photos. You need to remember that this is a free package for vendors. In this, there will be some limitations. For you, vendors, only 10 as of now, you can add your photos or work which you have done. So let's go to photos and choose few photos. I have 3 photos in my drive as of now. So I'll be adding those 3 one by one. You need to understand 4 kind of photos can be uploaded. One is JPG, second format will be PNG, third will be WebP, and fourth will be JPEG. Okay, so these are the 4 formats which we have given as of now, which is allowed to upload. Next, we will see about FAQs, but I'll write it later on. First of all, let us open our notepad where we have all our services and extra features, special features added. We will copy each one by one all the features and then we will add them one by one. So I have few of them. Let me do it for you. Here you go. This is the last feature which we have added. So these are the features which we can add. It is up to you how many features you want to add. It's unlimited for any user. Now you have packages. This is also unlimited. You need to have your package name with a small description and a price. You can add as many packages you want. It is also, there is no limit for free vendors as well as the paid subscribers. Okay, so I'm adding 3 packages of here: basic, premium, and luxury package. So, so that's it for now. You can always see your free package details. You can upgrade anytime, and next will be your settings. So let us see the FAQs which we have missed out. Let me write a simple FAQ like if we do a drone shooting or not. So do you offer, do lens craft, use your business name frequently for your better SEO purpose. Okay, so do this or business offer drone photography? So yes, we do. Not we do. Again, if you want to use your business name, you can do that. So make sure you use your business details, business name appropriately for better listing on our website. So all the vendors can be seen in our wedding vendors. A beautiful logo with the name and the description services offer is mentioned over here. Apart from this, whatever you have mentioned your services, that will be displayed over here and your portfolio, and thereafter you will be having your FAQs. Special features will be displayed on the right side as well as your packages as it will be displayed. Your social media accounts, your address will be displayed over here. Now if any user want to contact you, So they can click on the phone or email, and then they can enter their details to which email ID they want to get the information. So that information will be sent through an email, your details. Now this information, if you want to see, then you need to go with a paid subscription package, which is analytics part. Okay, you will get your analytics part where you can able to see all your customers who has raised a request. So that's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.